Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. I'm excited for the unboxing. I'm not exactly excited about the $50 box because in my personal opinion it's not very worth it. I looked to see what I got. I was just like and I did get some add-ons at a point purchase, so I'm going to show you those too. So if you guys do enjoy unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so right off the bat, Ipsy changed their packaging, which I'm actually here for. I like the lighter pink box, and I like how it says Ipsy like this. I don't know, overall I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my box and show you guys what I got, which only like half of the box, if that, I am even into. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Here's the contents of the box. So right away, I have the Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. This was a point purchase, so I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna set my box down and show you this super pretty palette. This makes this box worth it for me, even though obviously whatever box I had, I would get this palette. I cannot open it to save my life. You know what, we're just gonna rip the box. Who cares? Oh, I broke a nail. Crap. Yuck. I need to figure out a better way to do things than ripping boxes open so terribly. Okay, here we go. Oh, and then there's another box. Okay, box on box on box. So here is the palette. Okay. Ooh, and it's so pretty. I'm excited to play because the other Violet Voss palette I got, I love it. Oh, wait, hold on. I just want to see what this shade looks like. Ooh, that's really, okay, now the blue. Now the blue. Yep. Oh, wait, hold on, yellow. Oh, that's a good yellow. That's a really good yellow. Okay. I'm excited about this palette. I'm so glad I purchased it with my points. Did I just make your head hurt? Sorry. Okay, so the next item in the box on top is a Kylie, wrong sister, Kendall Jenner. This is her new brand. This is Moon, and it's like all like, it has to do with your teeth. And I got the teeth whitening pin. This is in Vanilla Mint. It whitens teeth and refreshes breath, which I need because I got some yellow and nasty teeth because I'm scared of the dentist, so I don't go. So here's the pin. It's actually so cute. Maybe I should do a video to see if this thing even like works, but yeah, here it is. Here's the pin. Cannot wait to try that. Hopefully it'll make my teeth nice and white. Okay, and then the next thing on top is the little booklet that tells you everything that you got in the box. Wait. What the f? This is not my box. This is not my box. This is not my box. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Oh, Ipsy is about to get a earful, I swear to you. Oh my God. Hold on, let me go find my iPad and I'm gonna read off to you what I'm supposed to get in this box because those are the only items I was actually excited to get in this box. Hold on. Mama is not happy right now. I am going to be sending Ipsy an email. Ipsy. The only items I was actually wanting, I don't have. You see that? Huda Beauty palette, not in here. Makeup Geek highlighter, not in here. My choice item, not in here. Like, are you kidding me? Pissed. I'm gonna email them and I will be getting the products that I was supposed to get in this box. I can send them these products back, but I wanted the Makeup Geek highlighter. I wanted the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I picked the Pharmacy, whatever this is. I picked the Pharmacy one. I did not pick the Murad one, which is what I got in this box. Though I like the Murad one, but I want the Pharmacy one. I will send these back and hopefully get the items that I wanted in the first place. Sorry for being like a big jerk right now, but like, come on. Come on. We're just gonna go ahead and continue showing you what I got in this box, and then I will end the video and send a nice little email to Ipsy. But I'll be really nice about it, I swear to God. But anyways, here's the bag. I don't like the bag. Oh my God, I'm gonna get so much hate for this video for being such a jerk. And I'm not normally like this in a video, but I don't care. Thumbs it down all you want and give me some hate. I don't really care. Anyways, I don't like this bag. It's just childlike. I don't know. Personally, for me, I mean, I guess it's okay, like that it's matte black, but I don't know. I don't really like this bag, and I'm literally never gonna use this. So I would rather have like the makeup bags they were originally putting in the boxes that were bigger and nicer than these ones. Just my opinion. These are Farrah brushes that I saw that I was getting, and I always welcome brushes with open arms, so these I am happy about getting, and they are really nice. Okay, so here is the brushes, and the tips of them are like a blue, which is like super cool, and I like how they have little grippies here to just like, you know, artiste your face. I don't know. This is a cheeky end brush, a straight brush, and a stippling brush. So I like getting brushes, so I'm happy about this. This is the Murad. This is a choice item. I did not choose this. I chose the Pharmacy. So I guess I'll open it from the bottom, but I'm not gonna smell it because I might send this back so I can get my product that I did want. But here's the Murad. It's not my choice, so if I have to send it back, I'll send it back because I want the Pharmacy. So, bummer. It just sucks that I'm like having like bad box weeks because I didn't really like my BoxyCharms. I didn't like say it on camera. I don't know, I was just in a bad mood that day, and you know, my palette's broke. I still haven't heard back from BoxyCharm, and yeah, I don't know. I just haven't really been very happy lately with boxes. But anyways, this is the Sigma E25 brush. I got it as an add-on, of course, because Sigma brushes are expensive and they're very nice. So I got this brush. Pretty excited about it. Happy, happy. Joy, joy. I don't like this. This is the Nanette. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. Beautiful Times. This is a perfume. I don't want perfumes in my box. I'm just very specific to scents, so yeah, I don't like this scent, so I'm probably gonna save this for a giveaway for someone who might actually enjoy this, but I'm very particular when it comes to fragrance, so this is for a giveaway in the future. So I got the Betty Boop x Ipsy Cheek to Cheek blush palette. I just got a blush palette, and I'm not too excited about getting this one, but I think I'll try it out anyways. What is up with everything having like inner boxes? Okay. Oh, this is a very smooth container thing. Okay. Let's just take a peek into here. Okay, so the colors aren't too bad, actually. So this one looks kind of like a highlight. Okay, so I will use this. It doesn't look too bad. I kind of figured they would be a lot darker from the photos on the internet, but I'm actually okay with this, so this is fine. I'm okay with it. I like it. The next thing in here, yeah, this wasn't supposed to be a choice for me either. This is a Kaleido Cosmetics waterproof liquid eyeliner, so I'm not going to open this because I'll probably be sending this back. This is not something that's supposed to come in my box, so just saying. The next item is a lip gloss. It's a Reflex lip gloss by Say Moi. It's me. This is in the shade Opulence, and this actually looks really, really, really pretty. Let's give it a swatch. Smells very minty. Okay. There you go. Oh, it's definitely just clear with some glitter. So this is definitely a lip topper. Probably wouldn't look too good by itself. It might make you look like, you know, you ate some buttered noodles and you just have the butter all over your lips. But anyways, the next thing in here is from BioRace. I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is a moisturizing and enhancing serum, so that's exciting. I like something to give me a good hydration, so excited about this. You guys, I'm still, again, so sorry for being such a Debbie Downer, but like I came into this knowing I wasn't gonna like this box, and like no one really likes their box, so it's just not worth $50 in my opinion, so I guess that's why I'm a little salty. Oh, that smells like really freaking good. Wait. That smells really familiar. I'm just gonna wipe that there. So I'm excited about this. And then this is an eyeshadow from Colored Rain. I'm excited about this because Colored Rain, I hear, oh my God, is this broken? What is up with things being broken? What is going on with my boxes this week? I never have a problem like this. Look, not only am I emailing Ipsy because my freaking box is wrong, but my shadow is broken. How does this break and a whole freaking eyeshadow palette and blush palette does not break? Like, I don't understand. But anyways, Colored Rain is apparently a really good brand. Their eyeshadow is apparently really bomb, so I was like excited to get this little single eyeshadow, so I wanted to try them out, to actually purchase their stuff. I'm just like, I'm just not in a good mood. I'm so sorry. I should like not even be filming this right now. The next thing in here is a Unicorn Glow Long Wear Primer. This sounds fun. This is something I'm supposed to get in my box too. I don't smell anything, but yeah, I'll give this a whirl and see if I like it. And then we have from IBOM, I don't know, IBOM. This is the Lemon Verbena Clay Mask. I wonder what this smells like. Oh yeah, that smells really good. So, excited for this. And then we have two sheet masks in here. This is from the Same, I guess, S-A-E-M. These are Natural Shea Butter Sheet Mask and Natural Avocado Sheet Mask. I love masks, so I never complain about having them in my box, so I'm pretty excited. Do I think that these are worth being in a $50 box? No. Not unless there was a pack of like 5, not just 2. And then the last thing in here is the Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. And this, again, I'm not going to open this because I'm probably going to send it back and get my product that I wanted, the Huda Beauty. So I'm not going to open this. And yeah, I think I'm going to count my products just to make sure I have like all the products I'm supposed to have. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Okay, yeah, so I have the correct number of products, 12 products, 2 add-ons, and a point purchase. Okay, so, sorry if this video is so freaking annoying to you because of my attitude, but like, I kind of feel like I have the right to be like annoyed, just because I've just had a really bad week on top of having really bad boxes this week and broken products. And then I was already upset about this box not being worth the value in my opinion. I spent $50 on it and I didn't even get the correct stuff. The stuff that I actually wanted, I didn't even get. So that's where I'm at right now. So anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. If you even made it this far, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you actually made it this far. I would like to know if you made it this far, because I'm being such a freaking butthole. But anyways, I just thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, or if you unsubscribed after watching this video. But yeah, I don't even know how to end this video. I'm just... Okay, I'm gonna go email Ipsy now, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.